Welcome to another customer self-service video. This video will demonstrate how to create a common KPI report. The purpose of this report is to show you the number of suppliers that make up 80% of your invoice spend. So the example report will give you 80% of your invoice spend and the number of suppliers that make up that spend. So in this case, 74 suppliers contribute to 80% of this invoice spend. To create the report, we need to go to Create and select Analytical Report from the menu. So we'll give our report a title, and then we need to choose the fact. For this report, we're going to use the Invoice fact table. And for our data field, we're going to use the amount invoiced. And then we're also going to create a user-defined field. This field is going to be supplier count. And in the formula, instead of using one of the predefined data fields, we're going to add a count function. So the dimension we want is the supplier. The hierarchy we want is the common organization. And then the level we want is ERP supplier. So we're going to add that to the formula. For the pivot layout, I'm going to go ahead and add some detail fields. And then the last field I want to add is the ERP supplier. And I want to add this as a row field. So everything will be grouped by supplier. Once the report is done running, we want to go over here to the display options and click on Edit. And we're going to change on the number of rows. We're going to change the maximum to show all of the rows. And then for the 80-20% rule, since we only want the count of suppliers for 80% of your spend, we're going to pick 80-20. Click OK. And then when a report comes back, we're able to see that we have the 101 suppliers that make up the supplier count for 80% of the spend. And that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have found this helpful. If you have any follow-up questions, please reach out to your customer engagement executive or SAP Ariba support.